Being a solo creator doesn't have to be hard. This budget gimbal can be the key to your success. With Hohem's AI technology, you don't have to worry about what angle your camera's sitting at or are you in frame, because this pocket-sized gimbal does it all for you. Hey there, welcome to the channel. Skyshank here, bringing you the latest and greatest gear. Now, if you're new here, don't be a stranger and hit that button so you don't miss out on the cool stuff. As always, I'll put all the links in the description below. So here it is, the budget king of all gimbals, the Hohem iSteady V3, a very lightweight and compact gimbal, and I love how incredibly easy it is to set up. Just flip it open, put your phone in the holder, hold the power button, pop out the hidden tripod legs, and you're all ready to go. Before we get any further, I just wanted to mention Hohem did not sponsor this video. I purchased the Hohem iSteady V3 with my own money as I thought it was the perfect tool for any solo creator. Now let's get back into this product review. The gimbal has your typical modes: pan follow, pan tilt follow, POV, and lock mode. So whether you're walking, panning for a cinematic shot, or keeping everything super steady, you have full control. There's a trigger at the back. When pressed, it lets you lock in your shot. When you double tap it, it'll recenter the gimbal. When you triple tap it, boom, instantly selfie mode. Now for one of my favorite features, the detachable remote. You can control everything from pan, tilt, zoom, start, stop recording. You have your toggle to control the gimbal itself, up and down, left or right. You have your mode button to switch through all the modes quickly. You have your record button to start and stop recording, even through the phone's native camera app. You have the up and down arrows that allows you to zoom in and out when in the Hohem Joy app. On the side, you have your button that acts just like the trigger. So if you press and hold it, it'll lock it into position. If you double tap, it'll reset the gimbal. And if you triple tap, it'll turn it into selfie mode. Triple tap back, and it'll go back to regular mode. By double tapping the mode button, you can easily switch between landscape mode and portrait mode, making it super convenient to switch between cinematic landscape modes to portrait modes for apps like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and even Instagram Reels. The detachable remote also has a USB-C charging port. Otherwise, if you just put it back into the gimbal, it automatically starts charging again. This is a game changer, especially when you're filming by yourself, setting up group shots, or you just want to get a creative angle without touching the gimbal. Speaking of creative shots, it actually has a built-in extendable selfie stick that also has a hinge that allows you to adjust at any angle you want to get that perfect shot. For example, to even get those slow to ground cinematic shots, or even just to extend it to get yourself in frame. What I also like about having the extendable selfie stick is all you got to do is pull it up, drop your tripod legs, and now you can get that higher shot when you're using a lower picnic table, a bench, maybe a rock on the side of a trail. Take your detachable remote and adjust your shot accordingly. Another great feature is the built-in light. By pressing and holding the orange knob, you can turn on the light. By scrolling up or down, we'll change the brightness of the light. By double tapping, you'll change the color temperature of the light. Press and hold, we'll turn it off. Whether you're vlogging at night or just need a little extra light, this feature makes a big difference. But what really makes this gimbal stand out from the rest is this AI tracker. It's actually detachable, so that you can line it up with your front-facing camera or line it up with your rear-facing camera. Once it's attached, it'll actually blink twice to let you know it's ready to go. By using hand gestures, you can start and stop the AI tracking. By giving the AOK symbol, the illumination will turn green on the tracker and start following you. By giving the stop symbol, hand palm, the illumination will turn green to red and stop following you. Now when the AI tracker is on, it is tracking your face, and it does an insane job to follow you around. You can even go in behind an object and pop back out, and it knows it's you and will continue tracking you. It's even pretty fast. I was running back and forth and jumping over rocks trying to fool the AI, and it kept me in frame the whole time. Hohem's AI will actually allow you to reframe yourself in the shot. By giving it the frame symbol, the AI tracker will start flashing green. Move yourself in another part of the frame and again give the frame symbol, and the AI tracker will stop flashing, and now it will start tracking you in that position of the frame. So for example, the AI tracker normally keeps you center of frame. If you wanted to move yourself to the right of frame and allow something else to be in frame on the left, you can move to the right, reset your frame, and now the tracker will do everything it can to keep you on the right side of your shot. Another cool feature while in landscape mode is when you give the 2 thumbs up, the gimbal will automatically go to portrait mode. And if you want to go back to landscape mode, just give the 2 thumbs sideways and the gimbal will switch over to landscape. But the tracker won't just track yourself. You can even track objects or animals. By using the Hohem app, you can draw a square over any object and the AI tracking will start to track. You can then move your gimbal and it will stay in tracking with that object. To cancel that AI tracking, there is an X on the box that you can then tap, and now the tracking has stopped tracking that object. When using the Hohem Joy app, you can actually unlock a lot more features. You can have time lapse, you can have time warp, you can have slow motion, and there's even moments, which allows you to do inception, back to the past, night rain, raindrop control, and so much more. I wanted to take a moment to show you just how fast the iSteady V3 connects to the Hohem Joy app. By pressing and holding the power button, we'll turn on the gimbal. And just like that, it's already connected to the app and you're ready for shooting. So is this the budget king of all gimbals? Honestly, for the price, you get a ton of features that you'd normally see in more expensive models. Whether you're just starting out or need a reliable lightweight gimbal for your adventures, well, the Hohem iSteady V3 has got you covered. I have links in the description below if you want to learn more or grab one for yourself. If you like this product review, please give me a thumbs up. It lets me know that you enjoyed the review. As you can see, it even works with the Insta360 Ace Pro. If you have any questions on this setup, please let me know in the comments below. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.